Hey guys, some of you already know I started my million times call out China committing genocide challenge. I already accomplished 4,000 of 1 million, which is only 0.4%. But today's 1,000, I will go to dog park with my Dobby. Tash, sit, Tash. Sit, otra. Yeah, I don't want to stay in front of computer all the time, all day. My back kind of hurts these days since I'm studying and editing video in front of computer all days. I need to either go work out or do some walk with the dogs. That's the best idea. I think he kind of needed more energy to release too. I think I need to go dog park. While he's playing, I'll just call out 1,000 times, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. All right guys, let's go. Tash, Tash, it's okay. Tash, you try to protect me? Thank you. Thanks for your nice, well-behaved, good dog. Yeah, Tash is very awesome dog. He's a white Doberman. Actually, I got him in this new year when he was like only 8 weeks old. He was born in October 3rd, which is like the election with Biden and Trump.
Feel bad a little bit, miss your siblings,
He was so cute that time, little scary baby boy. Only the second day he become very active, start walking around, running around. He already got learn like sit commanding only first day, I think. Yeah, he's very smart, very obedient, very naughty sometimes. He like biting things. But as long as you give him enough toy, then we'll be fine. The dog park actually is very close to my house. It's like 5 minutes drive. So I should come more often, guys. Now I have this challenge, so I can do either in front of computer while I'm streaming and show you guys some video, or just I have to go dog park anyway, so oh shit, I forgot his toy. I wish I have a toy like a ball or frisbee something with me. I forgot today. But maybe I can find some toy there. In dog park you can find some ball sometimes. I like this sound, but we're almost here. Tash, are you happy? Huh? Tash is definitely happy, I know him. Oh, couple cars, so should be a couple dogs today in dog park at this time. I don't like some big aggressive dog because he's only 7 months old. He's still a little puppy. I don't want any big dog to scare him. Okay, we got here. He just jumped. Okay. Oops. Just set the camera first. You ready, Tash? You ready for your dog? Oh, hold on, give me your leash. Okay, look at it. Tash, come on. Sit. Sit. Yes, nice boy. Very good. Let's go. Aldırma mama. Astama, astama. Taş, sit. Sit. Otra. Otra. Yaxşı. Let's go. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Sit. Crack, 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 crack. Crack, 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 crack. Oops. See, they're chasing around. Hello. This guy is pretty beautiful. Oh, I got a ball here, so we can play with. Wow. Tash. This dog is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. They're chasing Tash. Tash was kind of scared because of there's two dogs. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tash, don't worry, don't worry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Tash. Good boy. Tash is good boy all the time. See, I'm lucky I just found a toy. This guy is kind of crazy, that black dog. Yeah, he's still puppy. He's gonna grow so big. Like average male Doberman will grow 90 pounds. He's only 60 pounds so far. 62, 63 pounds. So he will grow so big. Then he will be more confident. Okay, Tash, look at how beautiful here is. Some muddy area. I want to play here with dog. And first I will show you guys this area, and then I will sit somewhere, count, and then I will start my counting, start my call out. Wow, some. Okay, Daz, you want to play? Okay. What can jump that high? Again, Tash. Wrong play. Again. Go jump, water. Again. Get it, Tash. Look at him. Again. I need to take up. Again, Tash. Sit. Again. I need to take up your oops. Sit. Yes. Now you go. You go play wherever you want. No, Tash, come here. Good. Akila. Down. No. Wow, look at that. All right. Thank you. Down, no go. Tash, otra. All right. No, it's okay. Calm down, both of you. Look at this. Tash. No, easy. Look at this. Good. Sit, otra. Go, get your toy. Okay, let's get this. No. So I think I'll just, oh, I forgot my counter. My digital test we left in the car, so I did super stupid stuff. Go. Akila, hey, Tash. Akila. Look at them, they're coming. See, they're swimming. Look at them, Tash. Look at them, they're taking your toy. Ana, Akila. Top na Akila. Kara. They're swimming, go. Mga. Go. Jump into the water, get it. They're taking your toy. Yes. Good boy. You got it. So I went back to car to get my counter to call out 1,000 times China committing genocide. When I come back and I met this guy, this is the best part of today. First, he asked me, "Are you German?" I said, "No, I'm Uyghur." And then he said this. The conversation started.
How in the world did you wind up in Arkansas?
I was in California after COVID, and I just try to find some cheaper area. Yeah, because I have any real family here, so anyway, same for me. As long as it's cheap, it works. And
That's a beautiful accent.
oh, thank you.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, everyone's like.
Cute!
Still have family over there?
Yeah, all my family is still there.
What's the situation?
It is worse than what media is saying.
Really?
Yeah, if media is like reported so late, we've been like saying more than like at least last 20 years. At the end of 2016, they start like real. After Xi Jinping's the new president, he's just evil. He just starting all these things. He built a cop station, stuff like that. Every 500 meters in every town. Everywhere is camera, like no dead corner. You know what I'm saying? Like.
And then he's putting people in camps.
Yeah, camps is camp. What they say is re-education center, but they arrest people with no reason. Like, if as example, if like you have like 10 years ago you got passport and you go to any Muslim country or Kazakhstan, which are our border friend country, like brother country, right?
Yeah.
Actually, my 70% of my like relatives in Kazakhstan. Even though you went there before, you're gonna get arrested. If you have a beard like this, you will get camped, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
That's where you're gonna end it up. So
if you went back,
yeah, yes, that's why I can't go back anymore. So I started to speak out in internet, stuff like that. So now I can't even. I'm always worried about my parents' situation, but I can't do anything more than what I'm doing now. So every day I'm doing. This is also for that things. I'm counting. I'm speaking out. I'm calling out actually for the China committing genocide 1 million times. Yeah, today I will count 1,000 times here, and I'll record and I'll send. I'm trying to be like speak up for my people, and you know that's all.
standing.
Yeah, that's all I can do.
That is tremendous. I mean, that's something that.
At least you know, if I go some teenager, young people, I say I'm Uyghurs, they say, oh, interesting. They don't even know what I'm talking about because they all play TikTok, stuff like that, Chinese app, like they don't really follow the news stuff, politics stuff, no.
It's a shame.
Yeah, they don't know like people actually facing genocide right now, dying every day. That's why I'm trying to speak up as much as possible. Yeah.
Is there anything I can do to help? I mean, I don't have any money.
No, I'm not. Just follow my channel and see what I'm doing.
You have carbs?
No, just do you have pen? Oh no, I will type for you. Yeah, just YouTube, search UyghurMan.
I even know how to spell it.
Yeah, I will let you know. Just go YouTube if you just follow what I'm doing and watch my video about what happened to my family. There's a lot of videos since yesterday. I speak out now, being a year almost. And he's an awesome guy. I'm glad he know about the situation of Uyghurs, and he add me on Facebook, YouTube. So ended up I got one more followers on UyghurMan. Now, so I will go there, find a space, call 1,000 times today, every day, till people know what's going on.
That's amazing, man.
That's all I can do, man. Like, I wish I can do more, but those are my people, my family. Two of my uncles got camp, and a couple of my friends disappeared. All of my friends just deleted me from social media, and I don't have any. Yeah.
They have to.
Yeah.
Protect themselves.
Yeah. So I understand, but just because of Uyghur, like a Uyghur, so we're facing a lot. That's all I can do. I mean, I have mouth to speak.
Yeah. Well, it's a great meeting you.
Yeah, thanks, man. What's your name?
Shane.
Shane. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah. Do you mind I put you in camera too? Okay. That's great. Yeah, I will just. After that, I started my real work, real mission, which is call out China committing genocide 1,000 times for today. China committing China coming in, 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 China coming in. And I know it's gonna be boring for 1,000 time for you guys to watch. I will just fast forward. China coming in, 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 China.
Men onu kadehlep xiyal qilsam bas Sirdishim shu damda g'arib tutamdu Do'tlarning uyinida qalbim bularmas Sazimni çalaman ihtiyat bilen Qo'shnilar sezmasdin anlig'ay uni Hammani ol dunya sangla beray Qizg'inay Mumbasqa repkim Sazmana canandu Meydur keyiptur Yalğız qo'y hey insan Mendin yiroqdur G'am asrar dard alam Yoki muhtojlik Ochiqlik shu eri yoki biroq
Guys, this is the most funny part of the whole video today when I was calling China, China, and the dog next to me, he did pretty good reaction. Look at this. China coming in, 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 all right, okay, I'm down with 1,000. I'm down with 1,000 countdown today, guys. I think it's time to go home. He played enough. And now, Otra, sit. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Hey, good boy you are. I think he has a battery almost gone, guys. How many percent? Oh, 3%. Okay. I'm going home now. I'm going home. Tash. Tash, make, otra, Tash. Otra, look at me. Say goodbye to camera. Say goodbye. Get there.